Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a cool way to check if parentheses, brackets, and braces in a piece of code are balanced. Think of it like making sure every opening door has a matching closing door. We'll use a custom stack to help us do this. If you're new to stacks and want to understand them better, make sure to check out the link in the description for a full introduction to stacks and their real-world uses. Let's dive in. We start by creating a stack class. Inside it, self.item is like our stack of items, and self.top helps us keep track of where the top of the stack is. Initially, it's set to -1, which means the stack is empty. When we use push, we add a new item to the stack. We first move the top position up by 1. If there's space in the list, we put the item there. If not, we add a new space for it. This method checks if the stack is empty. If self.top is -1, the stack has no items. To remove an item with pop, we take the item at the top of the stack and then move the top position down. If the stack is empty, we return none. The peek method lets us look at the top item without removing it. It's like checking the top block in a stack of blocks. The size method tells us how many items are in the stack. It's just the top position plus 1. In the isBalanced function, we first create a new stack. We also set up a dictionary called matching bracket to help us find the correct pairs of brackets. We go through each line of the code block and each character in those lines. The enumerate function helps us keep track of the line numbers. When we find an opening bracket like open parenthesis or open curly brackets, we push it onto the stack along with the line number where we found it. This helps us keep track of where each bracket starts. For closing brackets like close parenthesis or close curly brackets, we check if the stack is empty or if the bracket on the top of the stack doesn't match the expected opening bracket. If it doesn't match, we return a message saying it's unbalanced at the current line number. After checking all characters, if the stack is empty, it means all brackets were balanced. If not, we find out where the first unbalanced bracket was and return that line number. That's it for today's video on checking balanced brackets using a custom stack. If you want to understand stacks better and see real-world examples, don't forget to check out the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding tutorials. See you next time.